Hi guys, welcome back with my news video. On this video I would like to show you how to use multi-level in Microsoft Word. So this is the tool of the multi-level here. If you click on this button, you will see that more style, and there are some style that you can use the multi-level. So this is my example I want to show you. I will to practice now. Okay, let's start all together. So first I need to type the text like this example, and I select all the line text here, and after I click on multi-level list, this one, and I click on this style. Okay, so the number will switch, start from 1 to 10, and after if I want to make it take all line to show 1.1, I just select the three countries: Canada, France, and United States. And next I click on increase in this button. So you see that the number will switch to me like that. Okay, so this is the country in Asia. So we have a Cambodia and Thailand and Laos. So I select the line of the here like that and click on increase in the same this button. Okay, so ready. And after I need to show that the number 2.1.1 like that is mean the population and the growing in Cambodia. So I just select the tick like that, and after I do the same time like this button increase Indian. So it's mean that the result is the same about the example like that. Okay, I think that you understand. There is a very effortless and to create the multiple list in Microsoft Word, and you can try. Anyway, you want to edit the multiple level of the number here. So for example, you want to edit these colors to red color, just select on the number and next click on color this one and choose the color red. So you see that the number of switch multi-level will change color like that. And one more, the same time, if you are make the font size small, just select the multi-level of the number and I click on the size here and choose any size that you want. Okay, I choose the number 8. The font size is small. Okay, you can try and edit your multi-level like that. Okay, the last one, if you put cursor here, the last of the line on like that, and then press enter. So you can see that the result, the number of 2.4 will continue from this line. So press enter again. Okay, it means that the number will switch from the number 2, this one. And if you press enter the last time, so it means that you can type the thing here like that. So this is the example you can do it and try to make the multiple list in your work. Goodbye, see you in the next video.